Alright. I don't know what happened to my eagle. Oh, it's starting to rain. Oh, no! I don't know why it's... Oh! I don't know why I'm doing that. Must be electricity in the air. Oh my God. My father would love this. Oh, Jesus! He'd be out in here, just like Hurricane Gloria, my mother said, Glenn! She goes, what's that crazy guy doing out there? It's Glenn! Glenn, get in the house! Alright, I gotta go in before I get struck by lightning. My last will and testament. Oh, jeez! Alright. I'm short of breath. That's really spectacular, though. Mother Nature's fury. Alright, I'm gonna go. Alright? Before